In this video, we're going to look at the process to link corporations in Profile. So we'll learn how to convert manually entered corporations and also how to link new corporations. Let's go to Profile. I'm in Profile and I'm going to go up and search for RACDetails, and I'm on RACDetails now. So I have one related corporation entered here. And in previous years, or so far, it's been manually entered. And if I scroll down, you can see all the entries would be made manually. Not too many here so far, just like the association code and type of corporation code. But what I want to do is convert this from manual to linked. So I want to link it to the actual return. So it's a Social Corp, and there's two icons up here. I can link a corporation, or there's review link. So if I want to add a corporation that's not here, which we'll see in a minute, I would click on this one. But I want to go to the review link if I want to convert a manual link to a link. So I'll open this and I can see I've got the corporation there. And I can remove it, but I want to keep it. And right now it's not linked, but if I click on this, it'll open up to where I can select a return. So my returns are all in the same place. If yours are somewhere else, you can just change the address to where the file is located. If I scroll down here, this is the corporation here. It was a Social Corp, and it's the correct year. It was ending 2021. And I'll double click that, or just click on it and then click open. Profile will process the request. And what happens here is that this is an example of what happens when you update or when you look at this screen, the review screen. I can see here that this is in red. So this means that the business number entered on the actual return is different. I can look over here. The Social Corp has a different business number. Profile does let you know if things are different, and it highlights it in red. So what I can do is just make sure this is the corporation I want. Maybe I just entered the corporation information wrong here. So I'll confirm it, and then Profile automatically updated it. It's got the information from the corporation here, from the source return, and it's changed it in RACDetails. So I don't need to update, I can just close. And there we go. We see the manual is changed to linked. Let's look now at adding another corp. So I've got Test Corp, a Social Corp, and I want to add a third corp, which I happen to have here is Third Corp. So this is adding one that hasn't been entered in Profile or this return yet. So I'm going to link Third Corp, confirm that's what I want to do, and it says you have successfully linked file to return. So I can add another corp. In this case, I don't have other corps. Now I've got this linked. So I linked the new corp, Third Corp, and I converted the associate corp from manual to linked. And then I should save, or it won't keep these changes. The last thing I want to point out here is that if I go to, this is Third Corp, this is the corp I just linked to the Test Corp. If I go to RACDetails here, there's nothing linked to it. So in other words, the returns aren't cross-linked. If I wanted to link this back to Associate Corp, I would have to do the same process here. I hope you found this corporate linking video useful. It's just an introduction to how you actually go about linking returns. More information you can find at the Intuit community by just searching for corporate linking. And you can find other profile support options at our website. It's profile.intuit.ca, and you can look under the support menu item on the Profile website.